Hey there guys, Mike here from Sell Your Service. How's it going? Today I want to talk to you about creating some high ranking videos on YouTube. So hello. Um, this was originally recorded, broadcast live on Facebook. So hello if you're watching the recording on YouTube. Let me make sure that everything's going okay. Fantastic. So recently I've been doing quite a lot of video content on YouTube, and I've been doing Sean Cannell's course from Video Influencers, which I highly recommend if anyone gets the chance to buy it. I think it's absolutely outstanding. Let me stop this share for a second so I can just chat to you guys. Hey there. I think it's been absolutely outstanding. It's really helped me understand my video strategy and video ranking strategy, as well as what the potential is with videos and what kind of I want to do with our traffic. I think a lot of the strategy that I'm learning about is about driving traffic to our website, as well as creating, another lead capture system. And one of the ways that we've been able to do that is by creating 2 or 3 different types of video, not just going into playlists, but also looking at how people rank videos and how you actually rank content on YouTube. It's been very, very interesting to me. So let me know in the comments if video ranking is something that you're working on, if you're interested in it, if it's something you've tried doing in the past and you haven't really got. I'm just going to share with you a really high level overview of how I've been doing this, and it's already kind of getting us some really interesting results. We're ranking for stuff very quickly. We're also beginning to, drive more traffic. Let me make sure, hold on. Yeah, it does work. Just wanted to check the noise there, just check the sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to go over just start from the beginning and show you what I'm doing. So here we are on YouTube. Where we actually start is inside my little YouTube video script. I don't really have like a full word for word script that I revise. What I have is a series of bullet points, and I'll have these in front of me when I record content. And because it's broken down into bullet points, it's easier for me to kind of consume and go ahead and go over. The title of this particular one, this is going to be a traffic driving traffic driving video, which what I mean by that is I want to rank for this term here, how to sell email marketing services. So if I come over to YouTube and then search for that term, I want to rank here. Now you can sell how to sell digital marketing services from Miles Beckler 4 months ago. That's very cool. Another one, how to sell email marketing services, how to sell cold calling, how to sell digital marketing services. Another Miles Beckler one. Miles is using this similar strategy, going after these keywords that have got a lot of traffic and a lot of people interested in them, and ranking a video within it. What we're then able to do, and I'll probably use Miles as a example. So if I jump in here, what Miles then has is watching another video. Miles uses this as an ability to keep people within his channel and grow his brand. What I want to do is use it as a way of driving people back to a landing page, back to a lead magnet that I promote, maybe a blog post or a sales page, just something. But the idea is I'm learning how to rank content on YouTube for specific keywords. This here is the actual video title and content. I'm not going to go over this. I've kind of gone over this before. We basically have a little bit of a hook, and then our bumper, which is like our logo moving in. Introduction is kind of an introduction to the channel. In the hook, I talk about what it is, and I make sure that the keyword is some of the first words that I say, because we transcribe our content, and also Google transcribes the YouTube content. It helps with ranking if your keyword is inside the first sort of 10 seconds of the video. So I say, how do you sell email marketing services? In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell email marketing services to customers for profit, etc. Blah blah blah. A bit of an introduction. You can see the call to action here is I've got some free training on how to sell email marketing to your customers, but let's talk about how to sell email marketing services now. A bit of a problem, a myth, the points are actually going to learn about, and then some questions at the end. Now, here's how you can start to rank better, is with your description and with your tags. There's a few pieces within the description where we're placing the keywords right at the start, but what I want is variations on the keywords. I want about 3 to 5 variations on the keywords, like how to sell email marketing services, selling email marketing services, email services, sales for email marketing services. I want to show you how we find those. We basically use the search service that YouTube has as a way to be able to get ideas on selling, on creating tags and keyword content, because when I upload a video, I want to be able to have those tags in the video, but also repeat those tags in the actual description of the video. So if I come over here and at the search term here, I'll type in how to, and you can see that it comes up with suggestions. Now I have vidIQ. Actually, is this vidIQ? I can't remember which one I've got for this one, that tells me how many searches are being made for this. For example, how to sell on eBay has 6,600 searches per month. Ours is obviously considerably less than that. So I'm going to how to sell email. And you can see here it says how to sell email list, email addresses, how to sell emails, how to sell email marketing, about 10 searches a month. It's not a huge amount, but it's enough for me to be able to start thinking, well, if I rank for that, that's potentially, 300 roughly 100 people seeing me a month, and obviously as that grows. But what I want is I can see email marketing and email marketing services are 2 separate keywords, right? So that's really important. So I'm going to come down to tags, and I'm going to say how to sell email marketing and how to sell email marketing services, because in the description I'm going to show you how we write this up. I'm going to put those keywords in. Now, keyword stuffing is against YouTube's terms of service, so I'm not just going to dump those keywords in there. I'm going to write them up into the description. If I come back to YouTube again, email marketing. So we've got how to sell email marketing, how to sell email marketing services. So there's not a huge amount there. If I type in email marketing, we've got email marketing tutorial, email marketing strategy. That's quite interesting. So maybe I want to have that one as well. The point is that we're being very specific around the area that we want to work on. Now, I could focus on sales, so how to sell marketing services, how to sell marketing, interesting, how to sell marketing services, how to sell market research, how to sell marketing ideas to companies. So I might finish with those 2. In fact, I'm going to get rid of email marketing strategy because this is actually a sales one. So how to sell marketing services, how to sell marketing strategy. And what I'm then going to do is write up a description in the description, a little bit about the video. You can see here that how to sell email marketing services is a tag that I've got already. I'm going to say in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell email marketing services. Email marketing as services valuable to your customers, and you need to know how to sell email as well as how to sell marketing services and how to sell marketing strategy. Now, that you could read that sentence as a human and not think that it's like just nonsense coming out. Here's what's interesting. Sean actually talks through this process and has the about this video right at the bottom of the description, and in the middle talks more about having descriptive content and links. If I can find one of my videos, I'll show you an example. Here we go. How to sell marketing services. I've already got a video called how to sell marketing services, so I'm going to stop that. And can you see here that how to sell marketing services is one of the first kind of phrases. We've also doubled up on it in the content, and I've got a few links here. This is not a great great video. We're still learning how to optimize it, but we have found that through these, for example, sell marketing services, this video is number 8. How to sell marketing services, this video is number 11. And this is just with a little bit of optimization. There's not even a huge amount within this. So this is just a little bit of optimization. You can see how quickly you can rank content within this. And this is kind of the strategy that we'll go after. So I'll then use these tags. vidIQ also gives you like other ideas for tags when you upload videos. But that's the overall process, making sure that I use this search function. Jeez Louise, what a terrible, terrible place to pause the video. That's not much better. Cool. So if you guys have ever tried uploading, content videos, if you have tried ranking YouTube videos, I'd be really interested for you to tell me how that's gone. Let me know in the comments below what it is that you've tried to rank, and if there's anyone else you reckon I should be watching. Sean Cannell's one of them. I follow a lot of Miles Beckler's stuff as well. It's been extremely useful. Sunny Lenarduzzi as well. We've got her course lined up. I need to complete that. But in the meantime, yeah, I will see you on the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Keep building those funnels.